Hi, we are here to show you how to improve a lemon tree or improve a failing lemon tree. So this is a tree which has been failing and not producing much fruits in the past, in the recent past. So we have got some tips for you. Uh, so it's broken into three stages of how we can um, improve this tree and what we can do in order to improve it going forward. So first it's best that we see and inspect the tree first. So when we have a look at the tree, obviously in addition to the changing colors of the leaves, the yellow leaves, we can also notice there are there are anomalies such as this. So these ones are actually wasps, and there are living bugs inside this. So we just have to make sure we cut them from the branches, because these ones, these wasps sucks all the nutritious elements from the tree. So whenever we fertilize the tree, it's really no point fertilizing the tree unless those branches are cut. So just have to make sure we cut them. I've cut most of these ones here, so you can probably see here there's a lot here with these ones. So there's living creatures in these ones here. So just have to make sure, even if you cut them, you don't leave it on the ground. You have to dispose it immediately, because if you leave it on the ground and if you just disregard it, it might climb onto the tree again. So there is living creature inside this. So there is a few more which I'm just going to cut. So obviously this one's a big one, so I'm just going to cut. And there's a few more here. So I've cut most of them. So there's one tiny little one there. So just make sure you just put them back in the bag and dispose it. And there's one last one here. Yep. So that's about it. That's step number one. Step number two is spraying the branches and the leaves, the affected areas, or randomly just try to spray as much as you can. So this is an Eco Pest Oil. It's a pest control spray. You shouldn't be spraying it more than 8 times in a season, and it's advisable to spray it from 5 to 14 days. So perhaps twice in a fortnight, and that will do. So we'll just start spraying. So try to give it a nice spray on where you spotted those branches. Just overall, anyhow, good. So you see those yellow turning leaves. So the last and final step is to fertilize the plant. So for that, we just have to dig in a boundary line. So what's called a drip line is so this is so just have to make sure where the drip line, so the branch ends, so that's where we create the boundary, and start digging up a hole around the board. I would say up to about that much depth. Just dig the water line across the tree and fertilize this. So this is a multi-purpose fertilizer. So I would probably, for instance, go like that. Around the plant. So after placing the fertilizer on the border, we just cover it up with the soil. Just give it a nice cover up. Nearly there. Just a bit here. And then I have some excess soil here, so I'll just probably place it like that. This is like extra mulch soil. Yep. And last but not least, the important thing is watering the plant. So you just have to make sure after you fertilize it, you just have to water it for 7 days continuously around the plant where you place the fertilizer, and also in the center a little bit. Yeah, so just don't depend on the rain or anything. Just make sure, because the lemon trees are apparently they love water no matter how much you give them. So you just have to constantly pour water. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.